Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and very good morning. Alhamdulillah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim. So previous video has briefly discussed about concept of limit. So today we are going to learn on how to evaluate the limit. So there are three ways or three methods to evaluate limit, which are by using the numerical method, graphical method, and the analytical method. So this video will discuss on how to evaluate limit by using the numerical method. So in this numerical method, limit is solved, by inserting an appropriate value of x from left, this is for the left side limit, and from the right, and calculate the corresponding fx. So by doing so, we are moving closer and closer to the value of x, we are expecting to reach a certain value, which we call as a limit. For example, evaluate limit 2x as x approaches 1, by using table. So we are using the numerical method. So when we want to compute the limit, we must consider both sides, which is from the left hand side and also from the right hand side. So let's say we have number line, we have 1 right here. So approaching 1, from the left hand side, we may start with, let's say, 0.9. So approaching 1 from 0.9, we have 1.8 more, 0.99, we have 1.98, more towards 1, 0.999, we have 1.998, and let's say we have 1.9998. So we can say that this number will stop at 2, for the left hand side. Considering the right hand side, let's say we start with 1.1, approaching 1, from the right, we have 2.1, 2.062, 2.002, and 2.0002. So if we move more towards 1, we can say that, we can simply say that it approaching 2. So since limit from left equals to 2 and right also equals to 2, so it is exists and equal. So the limit for 2x, as x approaches 1 is equals to 2. So next example, evaluate limit for sin x over x, as x approaching 0. So numerically, where x is in radian. So approaching 0, let's say this is 0, we may start from the left, let's say negative 0.1, moving forward, we have 0.99833, 0.998 until 0.999, then for negative 0.0001, 0.9999, then we are expecting approaching 0, it will be 1 if we calculate from the left. So from the right hand side, if you start with 0.1 as proposed in the table, moving to 0, move forward to 0, we have 0.9998, and also approaching number 1. So in this example, we shall summarize result as limit for sin x over x as x approaches 0 is equals to 1. So next example, evaluate limit 1 over x approaches 0, numerically. So as you can see, still we have a number line, let's say from the left we consider negative 0.1. Okay, so as x approaching 0 from left, we have the number, okay, negative 10, negative 100, negative 1000, 10,000, and we can say that here it might be negative infinity from the left hand side. Okay, if we consider x approaching 0 from the right, okay, so we have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so we can simply say that it will be infinity. Okay, this is from the right hand side. So by comparing both, okay, both left hand side and right hand side, it is we have quite contradict result, okay, because from the left hand side we have negative infinity, but from the right hand side we have infinity. So since both sides have different value, okay, we conclude that the limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0 does not exist. Okay, so next video we'll briefly discuss evaluating the limit by using the graphical method. Thank you so much for your interest. Assalamualaikum and very good morning.